Hello, Platinum members. Abdul here again. It's a short tutorial. Previously, I shared a video how to make a bumper offer with the Instamojo payment page, right? So that it increase your little more revenue. That means it will decrease your CPA, cost per acquisition, by offering them optional upgrade when you are sharing recordings or certifications templates. You can offer them as an optional upgrade so that you can make extra money and you can get back the whatever money you spent on the ads. Okay, even previous video, if you didn't watch, please go and watch it. There I explained you how Mark Zuckerberg paying me, okay, to get the leads via Facebook. Okay, so the same way, that time I used Instamoja page, but the time I found how to do it in the Razorpay payment gateway itself. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, I'll tell you shortly. Let me close my sub. Okay, fine. So this is a sample page, right? Made in Razorpay. Okay, so when you fill the name, email ID, phone number, here is the price for the masterclass 299. So here I mentioned discounted fee for 3 days live, and I added one more row here. Select this if you want all recordings and certification. So normally it shows 299, right? But people, when they check this box, then it becomes 898. Okay, so most of them, almost 30% out of 100, no, 30 people, they go for a upgrade minimum, I'm saying, because they want the recordings, participant certification or templates, blah blah blah. Okay, so you can share, right? So how to create this page? Let me share. Okay, I'll go back to the dashboard. So this is the homepage, right? Razorpay homepage. Okay, when you come here, come to the payment pages. You know how to create the payment page, but let me share once again. Go to the create payment page and select payment page here. So here, choose the title. Let me copy paste so that okay, okay, and this content also I'll copy paste in the description. Okay. Okay, done. So the date is wrong. Actually, it's a very old page. I'm not using Razorpay for a long time. I using only Instamojo. Okay, but now I'll start use Razorpay as well. It's good one. Yeah. Sorry for my voice. Okay, I'm just recovering from illness. Yeah. So here is the price field, right? Okay. You click here and add a fixed amount, like it will be 299. 299, and in the amount you can add whatever you want to add, like a discounted fee uh, for 3 days live. Okay, save. Once you done it, you can move it. Actually, this is there's a 6 dots, right? You can click here and you can move it to down. Okay, and also you need to add a name because there's no name mentioned here. So you go to input field and a single line text, add name, and save it and move this to the top. Also you need to add another price field. Okay, click this again, click fixed amount here, select if you want all recordings and certification. Okay, select this. Okay, and here I mentioned around 599 something. Okay, okay, I'm saving it. Okay, here I just saved it. Here what happens, here I'm not added the optional, right? If you're not added the optional, what will happen, both will be added, calculated. Like if you're adding the GST or something, you can add it like this, so that it will automatically calculate it, actually added. Okay, but I want to add this as an optional. Okay, so I'm going and editing here in this button. Okay, here there's a 3 dot, right? I'm selecting here. Here I just click this make it optional item. Okay, so they can opt for it if they need it. Okay, then I'm selecting this. Okay, now there's a checkbox. It's very simple. There are other options also if you want to add some small image kind of logo or something. For example, if you go to my page, see, I add a small image. If you want, you can add the image, otherwise you leave it. Okay, there are other options also in the input field. You can add a drop down box, pin code, drop down box. Suppose if you ask them to select some male or female, some whatever it is, you can add it here. Okay, there are other options also. You just try it out. Okay. Okay, fine. So I'm just saving it. Uh, Create and publish page, right? Done. Okay. So now I'm copying this link. Let me open another tab. Nice. So name, email ID, phone number, 299. It shows 299 here. When I'm clicking here, 599. Yeah, it comes. Right? That's all. It's very easy to do that. It will take only 5 minutes, but it will increase your revenue. And there are other options also. If you want, you can like add pixels also on the Razorpay payment page itself. For example, I'll go edit the page. I'll go edit the page. Here there's a page settings here now. If you want, you can add the custom domain, but it's not required because it's extra charges. You have to pay monthly. Okay, so I don't need. And expiry date if you want, otherwise leave it. Customizes kind of thank you, congratulations for your purchase or something, or you can add your thank you page. Is it's must to add a purchase pixel, to come to know whether payment is done or not for the Facebook. Okay, and yeah, here is a plugin and add-ons, right? Here you can add the pixels. Okay, you can copy paste your Facebook pixel and you can add to cart or initiate payment so that Facebook will understand how many people are visited the checkout page. Okay, so that we can do the retarget also, because they are convinced with the page, landing page, and they click the button and they landed on the payment page. So they are they're bound to convert. We can easily convert them. Okay, same way for the Google Analytics. If you want, you can add it. Okay, so this is a special feature with like a result payment. That's all. Okay, I hope this tutorial helps you. Please make sure you implement this, because most of our members are using the Razorpay, because Instamojo that was not good recently though. So please make sure you implement this feature and share the results. Okay, first, if you implement it, just take a screenshot and share. Second thing, if you get the results, take the screenshot and share. Okay, thank you so much. We'll see you soon in another video. Bye bye.